Alright, ladies and gentlemen, Fab's in the house. And today I am in the house with a Shirogorov Special Edition F95 Custom Division White Tiger Special Chinese Edition. But hey, don't forget to like the video and to subscribe to the channel if you happen to enjoy this kind of content. We're going to do a little bit of unboxing. You've got your certificate. This is a special edition, 50 made. Of course, you get your Shirogorov branded cloth, and then you get this beauty over here. It is frame lock. It's F95, of course. It's a beautiful blade. This is a custom division, so it has some features that are missing in the regular production. For example, this is like a two-tone frame, a nice frame lock, custom screws. Also the clip is two-tone, beautiful milling, extreme skeletonization on the inside. You've got, of course, S90V steel, polished flats, custom division logo, of course. And look at the action. Guys, this is running on roller bearings, single row roller bearings. Look at this. It's nuts. Stronger detent than the production version. Absolutely super smooth. It's just beautiful. Stronger lock bar tension as well. Beautifully done. Stainless steel lock insert. Nice clip. The sound. It's just a Shirogorov beautiful sound. Different jimping, different pivot. I mean, there's a lot of things going on in this one. The ergos are just fantastic, guys. Look at this. I mean, how smooth do you want a knife to be? More than this? I don't know if it's doable, but hey, if you want to know more, please check out my full-length review. And don't forget to subscribe. Thanks for watching. Stay tuned.